Hey guys, I'm just about to make the Samoan traditional dish, Oka, which is raw fish and coconut cream. There's many ways of making it. This is my version, so please don't hate. But this is the way I make it. So yeah, check it out. And, yeah, we'll see how we go. So this is cucumber, and thanks to my beautiful wife, she's prepping all the veggies and fruit for me. And here's the tomatoes, as you can see. Now here we also have capsicum. I usually use all the colours, so this is yellow and then we've got green next, but we didn't have the red, but just gives it a bit of a colour, a bit of crunchiness in the dish as well. So here you go. So here's the veggies so far. Cucumbers, capsicum, tomatoes, and here we have green onion. Add that to the bowl as well. So also adding to this bowl is nashi pear. Nashi pear just gives it that sweet, crunchy taste. Here it is here, diced up. This is my tarakihi, fresh tarakihi, all diced up, ready to go in a separate bowl. And in the separate bowl we add the coconut cream. As you can see, it's quite thick, so I kind of thin it out with with coconut milk, just to give it, just to thin it out a bit. And here I add lemons into this separate bowl. So once I've added the lemons, I add a bit of salt and pepper, just for seasoning and just for taste. And then I kind of stir it up here. So next I combine all the ingredients. Is my bowl of veggies and fruit. Mix that all up. As you can see, it's quite thick, so I add another can of stir it some more. Combine all the ingredients together. So here, bowl is still a bit thick, so I add just normal milk, just to thin it out a little bit more. So just stirring all the ingredients together. I add a little bit more milk, just to thin it out a little bit more. You can do whatever to your liking. Once I've done this, I glad wrap it, and then I chuck it in the fridge, and I refrigerate it overnight. This kind of fuses up all the flavours into the fish. You won't regret it. Anyway, this is my version of the Samoan dish, Oka. Hope you enjoyed it.